Hello guys, good afternoon for Level Bali. My name is Juja the Mouse Racing Black Denso Kotinja. This is Kotinja TV show. Today we're gonna show Rwanda nature. First of all, let me explain you Rwanda. Rwanda is Thousand Hills land located in a country located in East Africa and the equator. With soft river, lake, valley, falling that tracks for tourists. As you see, I stand on the top of mountain among those thousand hills. I'm traveling and exploring the mountain of country. As you see, I'm in the jungle. I'm traveling in the jungle. Rwanda country is a very beautiful and amazing country that has sweet climate and rain, fresh air from that valley. Even climate is very suitable for everybody. So wherever you are in all over part of the country or the world, I give you welcome to visit Rwanda. Thank you so much. First of all, add subscribe to this channel. We're gonna party.